Hey guys, welcome to another video. So first and foremost, I just want to thank you guys for just all the new subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for just commenting. I definitely try to get those comments addressed as soon as I can, but I just appreciate it. So I always want to start off my videos just saying thank you guys. You guys mean a lot to me. But this is a special video for you guys. We're doing an unboxing. This is our first unboxing actually, but as you guys know, I have a red 2018 Tesla Model 3. And about 5 years ago, I purchased some red and black seats, interior seats, just to switch it up from the traditional black seats that come with Teslas. I actually purchased those from T-Sportline. They were not a cover, but they were actually manufactured seats that were replaced, that replaced my original black seats. So if you've seen some of my recent, my front driver's seat is looking pretty rough. It's got, the leather is really scratching up and just peeling away, and it's just annoying to look at. So that brings us to our sponsor, Coverado. So if you're looking for a seat cover, not only for your Tesla vehicle, but pretty much any manufacturer vehicle, well, Coverado has a good solution for you. Not only did they have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 seat cover, but they also have seat covers for newly released models, which is very cool. They come in different shades, different designs, different colors, but they just offer a premium material with a fashionable design, and it just can add a crazy, stunning new interior look to your vehicle. So just want to shout out to Coverado, and let's get on with the unboxing. All right, guys, so we're gonna get this unboxing started. Let's get going. And then we're gonna likely install the seat covers, and I'll let you know what I think of them once it's done, how long it took, and all that jazz. So let's get this open. Took them about 5 days to send me this. So shipping is pretty quick. Comes in this nice carry bag. All the seats are right here. See if there's anything else in the box. Nope. All right, I like this packaging right here. So we're gonna unzip this. All right, and there we go, Coverado. So I'm assuming this is probably the front seat or the passenger seat. All right, we got a headrest here. Looks like it's just Velcro, attaches. We got some hooks that come in the box for our attachments for the seat covers to the overall seat. Have an instruction booklet. There's also an online installation video that I'll put in the description section below. All right, we got some wrapping. Okay, so another seat. Looks like this is the passenger or the driver's seat again. I don't think it matters which one, but inside they actually have the bottom part. So this is the actual seat portion. All right, anything else? We have just the links, attachments, nothing else in there. All right, some more split here. And this is for the rear seat section. So have a large rear seat. You can kind of see the straps here to kind of hook underneath the seat. So we're gonna have to lift up the rear seat to get that installed. We have more headrests here. Okay, and these are, looks like these are also for the rear seat. They just kind of strap on the back too. All right. So the rear seat straps are a little different than the front seat straps, it appears. But I'm sure that's an instruction booklet. So, but that's it. All right, these are a look at the back, look at the straps. And that is everything that is in the box. So I will say, just before I even decide to, install these, that the packaging is really good. Everything looks to be here, which is great. Ooh, that's fine. It's really windy out here. But yeah, nothing else included, but it looks like everything is here. So let's get started. Um, yeah, it's probably, hopefully we'll see how long it takes. Once I'm done doing this, I'll give you guys an update on what I thought and how it looks and the time it took, and uh, we'll go from there. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I just finished installing the seats. As you can see, I think they turned out pretty well. This is my first seat cover, so a few things that I did realize when I was installing these. First and foremost, the T Sportline seats that I have, I think, are a little more thicker than the original manufacturer seats that comes with the Tesla. So that was a little difficult, or made it a little difficult putting these on here. The instructions also were pretty good. I looked at the YouTube video, I looked at the paper instructions. There were a few differences in there, but they weren't substantial enough that you couldn't do it yourself. It was pretty easy. Like I said, the main thing was realizing that the bolstering on these seats are a little more thicker than the original seats, and I didn't think about that. But they did fit still. Also, since I got the custom red interior, you can kind of see accents of red on the sides of things. So I think if you're going to get these seats, make sure that you have probably have like the black standard seats in your Tesla if that's the vehicle you're looking for. Just have like a default interior. I probably could have got the red and black seats. They did have some red seats and black seats, and that may have made it look a little better, in my personal opinion, just because I think the white and black looks fine, but there are like red accents, which is fine. The car is red. I mean, it's red, white, and black. That's fine with me. Also, this middle section zips up to connect the two seats. It's a little loose. I couldn't figure out a way to kind of make that kind of tighter. So, you know, Coverado, if you see this video, let me know. Maybe I did something wrong doing the installation, but I looked at the video, looked like that's pretty much what you do. Could have just been, you know, measured on a 2017 Model 3. I don't know, but they should be the same. But that's the only part that I didn't like. This part was fine, but yeah, this part is a little looser than I would like. Getting this bottom seat on was a little tough, mainly because when I lifted up the seat, there was a clip to, you know, do that, to I guess loosen it, and putting the loop back together, or the clip back together, appeared, it was much worse than I thought it was going to take. It took me like 10 minutes just to put that together. But overall, I think it looks fine. I think the front seats actually turned out better than the rear seats, to be honest. And I guess that's good because I'm going to be in the front seat and that's what I'm going to see the most. But they feel a little thicker than, you know, the seats that I had. And, you know, they feel comfortable, nothing too crazy. I'm going to rock with these. It is nice to have these and not see the scratches on the leather anymore, at least for now. I'm sure whenever I sell this car or whatever, you know, these seat covers will go with it, unless I get some different ones. But yeah, other than that, also this headrest, it was kind of, when I took it out the box, it was kind of folded up. And when I unfolded it, there was a little bit of a crease there. Nothing crazy. I mean, like I said, the other seats weren't perfect either, but I don't, you know, it had a little bit of wrinkles and unable to kind of get that out. I tried to kind of tighten it a little bit more, but that wouldn't come out. But overall, I think the quality is good. You know, just because of shipment, you're going to get those little tiny wrinkles and here and there. Because I have a red interior, it's still some red accents that are, you know, a little off. I think if it was just my normal black interior, it'd been fine. You wouldn't even notice it. But yeah, you notice that as a cover because I have the little red side on the things back there. But it is what it is. It's still, you know, it is nice to kind of conserve the red seats back there. The red seats in the rear actually are fine. They had no issues. It was really just my driver's seat because that's the seat that's mainly getting used. But yeah, other than that, I think it's fine. So, yeah, I think, you know, definitely they have a return, you know, guarantee. So, you know, if you don't like it, you always send it back to them. Definitely try it out. I think it was pretty easy to install. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Like I said, it was just a few things that really was my fault, you know, installing it with different seats that kind of switched it up a little bit. And then just having the red accents kind of, you know, makes the color a little off. But other than that, I think it looks fine. So I will leave all the information in the description section below. If you guys have any other questions, please leave comments below on this video as well, and I will get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. And until the next one, have a great weekend. Enjoy your Teslas, whatever cars you got, and I will see you guys later. Until the next one. Peace.